In this quick video, I'm going to show you the different pieces that come in the Boho PLR Planner Template number 1. We're going to delete the first page here, so I'm going to click it and hit delete. There we are. Here's one of the templates that come with it. Of course, you can change the font and the names. Another template. Another thing is that these are all available in the zip file as PNGs. PNGs are transparent images. Here's another template. I did add a little schedule in here for you. So if you wanted to put a schedule in there, I do recommend changing the font. Also, I made this military time, so you can change that too. Here's another template. It's kind of cool. This one could be a meal planner if you like. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. And remember, all you have to do is do insert, text box, and just type what you want in there. Let's say you want dinner in there. Change the font to something cool, and then half your page is done. Here's another example. This one, I created a space in the center so you could put a schedule in there. I'm going to go up, right-click, copy that schedule, right-click, paste, put it in there. Now you're going to notice that it goes over. This is easily remedied. Right-click, cut, right-click, paste, and then all we have to do is go to picture format, crop, and then crop it down to the size you like. I do include a couple month templates. They ended up kind of small because I was trying to keep with the theme, but once again I think you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then all the weeks. Down here you could just simply put some lines, which is easy. Insert, text box, and then start putting in lines. Don't worry about going too far over, just bring it back and keep adding your lines. Here's another week schedule. I'm going to zoom in because the TPs are their own template. Let me double click. And then I added some lines to these also. Put them back to where they were. Let me make it big. What's nice about this is that I can right click, copy, and actually put them anywhere I want. So maybe I go up here to dinner, paste, and I want that in for dinner. Don't forget, we can cut these off. So right click, cut, paste as an image, picture format, crop. There you go. I know, it's cool. Let's go to the next one. So we've seen this one. This one I really don't know what it is. I just thought it was kind of cool. The next one is a 2-page week spread. So here's 4 days. Here are 3 days. This also moves. It's also its own image. Here's another month spread. You can make it any size you want. Put it anywhere you like. Here's another week spread. Of course, you can change the days. You actually don't even have to have that in there. Just hit delete and put whatever you want. And this one is its own image again. Here's another one. You can change this or put whatever words you want in there. This is another PNG transparent file. And the last image is this one. And we can shrink that up so that it fits. If we want to do this for a KDP, it needs to fit within our boundaries. I should have mentioned the boundaries right off. That's this blue stuff. If you are doing this for KDP, you do need space in here, otherwise it will cut it off. But if you're going to sell this on Etsy or as a giveaway, you don't need to worry about the boundaries. But let me show you how to delete them. I like them, and I have it in this template, but template 1A does not have these outside boundaries. But let me show you how to get rid of them. You go to View, Slide Master. We're going to go to the first slide and just hit delete or move them out, whatever you like. So let me delete all of these. Close Master View, and now they're gone. So if I look at the first one, I created this using my template, but I could make it bigger if I want to create something different. And then we could move all of our days to somewhere else. I'm not even going to mess with it. There's so many different ideas you can use. Be sure to watch the next video where I show you how to take a blank page and start adding these in to create another type of planner.